Welcome back guys to QBSYLUHV channel. Today we would like to talk about the trading strategies and the time frames. Let's dive in. What the best time frame to trade? There is no right or wrong answer. Everybody choose personal time frames. When you trade, you have to feel comfortable because it depends of your emotional states and depends of your psychotype. Because for somebody, it's easy to trade on 1 minute time frame like a scalper. For somebody comfortable to trade like position trader and waiting your targets maybe 1 or 2 or 3 days because maybe you don't have the time to see the front of monitor. You have a own business. You're too busy, to see the front of monitor and track all this moves. So you mark your entry, open position, wait a few days, your take profit alarm, and you get a profit. Or you get a stop loss. But somebody just can sit and scalp on 1 minute time frame, on 5 minute time frame. That's why I prepare for you this cheat list, how to organize the time frames personally for you. You can go here on the right corner on trading view, and I add these time frames like favorites. You can have your own, and you just click it here and mark your favorite time frames. If you don't see some time frames, you just can click it here, choose the hours, and for example, add 6 hour time frame if you use it. Also on TradingView Pro, you can see even the seconds charts. Just to be honest, I most likely never use the second charts. We got a trading strategies and position holding time. For example, if you trade on 1 minute time frame, it's called scalping, and you trade between 1 minute time frame till 15 minute time frames. Of course, it can be longer if we trade in a range, but in this time period between 1 and 15 minutes, you're just scalp up and down, up and down. Always use proper risk management. Always use properly stop losses and take profit. And maybe you open position and after 5 minutes, you already close position or get a stop loss. It's called the scalping. 5 minute time frame is also scalping. So it's also work for intraday or for trading news. It's between 5 minute time frame till 60 minute time frames, 1 hour. 15 minutes, it's a day trading. More for swing trading between 16 minutes, 1 hour or longer. So for example, you trade 1 hour and 4 hour time frame, but your entry can be on 15 minute time frame. 30 minutes, it's a day trading also, holding position between 1 hour or several hours. 1 hour, it's swing trading. You can hold your position intraday or several hours to several days. 2 or 4 hour time frame, it's also swing trade. So it's more for position trader. You can hold your position several days or several weeks. And the last two, it's a day trading. It's called the position trading. It's for long-term investing. You can buy, for example, today and close your short or long after maybe several weeks or even several months. And a week, it's position trading also for long-term investments. You can hold your position even in weeks or even in years. On my main channel, I made over than 100 videos about altcoins when we determine the best entry zones for investments. So I highly recommend you go and watch. And for intraday, I use daily time frame, 4 hour time frame, 1 hour time frame, 15 and 5 minutes. So how it looks like on a practice. For example, I open the chart. It's Alchemy Pay. It's a weekly time frame. We use a magnet. First of all, we determine the top. So every single top or low, it's main liquidity. It's main liquidities on weekly time frame. So let's mark its target, and this also will be target. So we have to understand the context, what's going on now on the chart. So we got a lowest point, we got a pump without even a FIB. Determine we are around now 78 or 86 level by FIB. So here we took the FIB, we got a top. So yes, we got a lowest point, top on a weekly time frame. Here's a 23 level by FIB. Rejection. Here is a 61, 0.5, 78, and 86. So this FIB is relevant on the weekly time frame. We go to daily time frame, and you can determine what's going on now on a daily. So in this range, our zones will be here. Sweep this low if we will drop and broke the structure, or top around 5 cents. Like you can see on a daily, we got a pure order flow. I can understand on a daily we bounce it and hold the line at 86 level by FIB, and we have all chances now to go and liquidate all these guys. It will be the day position trading, because I can open position here and wait in the few days or a few weeks when we go and liquidate all these guys on this order flow. And after this retest, maybe I will open the short. That's why we go to 12-hour time frame and trying to understand what's going on inside intraday. Inside intraday, we leave the gap on 12-hour time frame. Here, this tiny one. That's why now we start building the bullish order flow. It's totally different story here. Like this one. It's for intraday. Locally, we can see correction to this gap on 12-hour time frame. Under is nothing, and continue move higher to liquidate all this order flow. Let's go to 4-hour time frame. You have to build the logic, and we can see the drop to this level, fulfill, bounce, retest, and going higher. That's why we go to 1-hour time frame, and you can see the context. On 1-hour time frame, we leave also the gap, this one. That's why we can see something like this one, fulfill and test 50% of 1-hour time frame, retest and going higher. When I will open position, it's pretty easy. You mark point of interest zone. You mark, for example, the alert. So when the price will come into this target, you don't have to sit in front of monitor and wait. This is a point of interest. This is a potential, the best entry point. And when the price came into this target, you go into the lowest point, 15-minute time frame, and waiting this entry or this entry. And locally on 5-minute time frame, it can be 6% profit. That's why it's really important to build the logic of your entry and exit position, because somebody can buy in here and wait. There is no problem waiting till this target, to the main one, But if you feel uncomfortable waiting a few days and worry about your stop loss every single minute you open the chart, that's why it may be better for you trade intraday. That's why on a backtesting depends of your psychotype, depends of your emotional states, depends of your working schedule. You have to choose the right trading strategy, time frame, what to trade. Guys, I hope you like this video. Subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.